Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can check your sales growth in business intelligence module. So first of all, you need to go in business intelligence module. On your left hand side, you will see business intelligence module. Please click on this now. Once you will come in business intelligence module, so please check here is first of all your sales data. So in this dashboard, as you can see, we have provided the calendar view where you can go ahead and just check that how many orders are there, how many pending orders are there as per the month and date. You can very well go ahead and make changes in the month, and accordingly it will get displayed. Here you will get view two pending order option, as because on 11th of November, two of my orders are still pending. You can check it in calendar view or you can check it in aggregate view. Here you will get the entire visibility that in December how many are pending, how many was total, on time delivered, late delivered, and pending. Now, going below, you can go ahead and check top 5 pending orders. So as in my profile, only two of my orders are pending. So only two of my order confirmation are getting displayed. Here you can click on view all pending orders, and accordingly the report will get opened up to assist you. Now, coming back, here is your sales performance, where you go ahead and get a graphical representation of week on week, month on month, quarter on quarter, with a last 7-day performance, that how much quotation, how much amount of quotation have been raised, OC have been raised, and invoice have been raised, with the total count. If I talk about the team performance, here you can go ahead and check order book, order delivered, quotation as per your drafter name, or basically your teammate name, team member name. Now, here you will get top 5 pending orders due in last 9 days by the term of user. So all this data helps you in quickly analyzing that how come your sales performance is going on, where you need to go ahead and check which are the orders which are not delivered and currently are in overdue. So this will help you in checking the entire insight and take an action as on the data, and accordingly go ahead and improve the performance of the sales. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.